Welcome to your 1-minute yoga teacher training. We're going to continue our education on restorative yoga. Today we're going to be using the strap. You want to take your strap and make a really long area with the strap. This is a variation of Viparina Karani, or legs up the wall pose. Ask your students to bring one part of the strap underneath of their neck, and the other part of the strap is going to be on their legs. We'll lie on our back as we bring the legs up. You can adjust the strap wherever it feels comfortable, keeping the legs straight. You can bring your arms to your sides, and you can play with moving the head up and down. Make sure that you help your students get the strap in the area that works best for them. And this is a great alternative if you don't have a wall available to you, or if you just want to do something a little different. Light up that follow button for more yoga teacher tips.